Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. It looks like Bitcoin's September drawdown has started. I mean, it's following the stock market, but the prophecy that September is bad for Bitcoin looks to be coming true once again, as we are now down below $19,000. Now, what's weird about this is this seems to be because a giant Binance liquidation of a fat cat futures entity that has actually been taking longs north of 30,000 that has finally been annihilated. So a fat cat was destroyed and now is a skinny starving cat. But his downfall kind of resulted in all of us going down as well. And if you actually look at this, data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC USD staying under 20,000 for a fourth straight day, with bulls falling to crack resistance. Basically, there were a bunch of crypto analysts saying a bounce incoming, because basically with retail investors selling, that entity had spent several days soaking up liquidity, and the result was likely obvious. But unfortunately, it went the other way. It looks like the big entity that was soaking up the futures could not actually handle all the retail selling, and it finally bounced downward, and he got annihilated. So basically, two popular social media traders noticed an ongoing accumulation trend by an unknown large-scale Binance futures trading entity. So it might have been Binance itself or another one of the big futures trading firms, but they were actually accumulating all the liquidity like well north of basically like the entity's long. They had a long BTC position. It was massive and easily worth 30,000 BTC or more. So they had a massive long BTC position that was worth more than $30,000. So this whale looks like they got annihilated because the retail selling pressure was too strong and he couldn't handle it. And these crypto influencers obviously thought that Bitcoin would bounce because of this giant long position, but the giant long position was defeated by retail sellers. Now, they might be accumulating for cheaper. I'm not really sure. There was an interest at 19,650, but the interest was not high enough, and we dumped right through to 18,856. So right now, the whale interest was not big enough to actually hold down the retail interest in selling, and whoever was taking that gigantic long position got liquidated. And the only people that can take a position that long are literally the whales. A regular retail investor like us cannot actually have a 30,000 Bitcoin position. So others were actually right, but they're saying that like elsewhere, crypto trader Tony warned that altcoins were exceeding Bitcoin's intraday gains, something that called for caution. Ethereum was up 4%. Bitcoin isn't moving while Ethereum and altcoins move, which makes sense while people try to make the most of upcoming merge. So they're going to be very cautious. Maybe this is kind of the start of the merge sell-off. I'm not really sure. And some people are saying it's more about the dollar index. And the DXY, I do actually believe is going to, is basically still going to stay at like a historical high, no matter how you kind of look at it. Right now, as you can see, it is at 110. Now, the all-time historical high is like 160. I don't think we're going to reach that, but I think 130 is definite possibility. And that doesn't really bode well for stocks. And the other thing is the robust services sector, which means like jobs and stuff are still pretty strong. That's actually kind of what caused the markets to go down. And that's kind of dumb because like that signals the economy is strong. And usually when the economy is strong, the market goes up. But in this case, since the economy is still robust and strong, they're afraid that the Fed, yes, the evil Fed, will actually raise interest rates even more. And that just that fear of interest rates is actually making everything kind of like go down. So that's where we have the markets today. I do think like crypto did get dumped more than stocks because that giant whale got liquidated. And now he is a small minnow and he's going to get eaten by the sharks. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.